Hi everyone! Another Rowan Szmal versus Daniel Smith episode today. Today we have Burnt Umber made by PBr7. And the first thing I have to say is that I'm very impressed with Rowan Szmal's Cyprus Burnt Umber. The granulation is insane. I mean, I know Daniel Smith are great with their earth colors being like really earthy and having lots of granulation and those types of characteristics, but it's not very affordable for a lot of people. And that's why I bought Rowan Szmal in the first place. And I gotta say, I've tried earth colors in a few different brands prior to Rowan Szmal, but once I got into Rowan Szmal, I'm like, I love earths. I'm an earth lover now. So I've pre-wetted both these pans prior to swatching, and if you could tell, Daniel Smith is much more pigmented, or at least it activates much easier, whereas Rowan Szmal's feels like it's not as pigmented, or it didn't dissolve. And the main difference I see between the two is the hue, where Daniel Smith's leans on the warmer side and Rowan Szmal's Cyprus Burnt Umber leans a bit cooler. Okay, not much else I have to say about that. So I'll see you in the next episode of Daniel Smith versus Rowan Szmal. Alright, bye everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.